So Don, what are we up to now?
We are up to how to make peanut butter sauce. Or what's the Oriental word for it, dear?
Hunan peanut butter sauce.
There you go.
Be right back.
He left. So what I'm going to do...
No, you're not.
Oh, I'm not doing anything, evidently.
Nope. We brought the laptop back to the room.
Ah, yes.
Welcome to Don's Fine's Kitchen. I'm Morris, and over there is my lovely assistant Don.
Hi.
This channel is all about ideas and recipes that we have found and tweaked over the years, and we will be touching on everything from how to make extracts to cooking various meals. Most use our own recipes and/or techniques. Neither of us are professionals,
Okay.
so as long as you come into this with low expectations, you'll have something that tastes good but doesn't always look good.
Yeah, that's always it.
Alright, today we're gonna show you how to make your very own Hunan or peanut butter sauce from scratch. We hope that you enjoy this and find it useful, and if you do, please subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell so that you can see our newest videos when they come out. Alright Don, let's get started. Don, what are we up to this time?
Making peanut butter sauce. In other words?
Yeah, this is also known as Hunan sauce in Oriental cooking for whatever reason. We're using a simple version, lightly modified to our taste. You can look up on the internet for other versions. There are some that are very complicated. There are some that are very simple. We, of course, being lazy, are going simple. Alright Don, let's get started.
Okay, so I am going to be tripling the recipe.
So for the purpose of this recipe, you are using 1.5 cups of hot water.
Which I've already measured up.
Okay, now the container that we're using has a marking for 2.5 cups. Conveniently enough, we need 1 cup of peanut butter. So the lovely Dawn is going to add the peanut butter to the cup until we get to the 2.5 cup mark. Try not to leave too much on the sides, that throws your ratio off. There you go.
It's not a clean job.
In the background you might see a big beige thing. It's called Prince. He has this idea that if any time I come in the kitchen, he gets to go outside. We're slowly trying to teach him that no, there is something of a schedule to keep, or he'd be outside 40 or 50 times a day.
Yes.
And some days it feels like it. Alright, so we're just about there. Another good scoop, my dear. Okay, little more, come on. Okay, now that the peanut butter is mixed, the lovely Dawn is going to stir it because we want to melt it. Now trust me when I tell you that this is going to be worthwhile, because you got to pour this into the pot to add the other ingredients, but if you don't get it mixed, you got a bunch of it that's going to stay stuck in the cup and it's going to take forever to get it out.
Oh yeah.
And being as prepared as we always are when we make these videos, the lovely Dawn neglected to bring the wooden spoon of happiness.
Yep, the good old wooden spoon.
The thing that allows her to stir these things without burning her fingers. Here's your wooden spoon.
Thank you. Oh.
Give away your age now. Remember in school when the teacher used to see you with a wooden spoon? It's like, oh God, no!
We're getting there.
Nowadays with our kids in school, it means cooking class.
Yeah, and they don't even have that anymore.
Okay, is it pretty much dissolved? Yep. Okay, so now the lovely Dawn will rinse it. There are towels in the house, you know.
Sorry guys, I got peanut butter all over me.
Okay, so now the lovely Dawn is going to pour the peanut butter and water mixture into the pot. Alright, we're back. We had a minor technical flaw. the battery on our camera was dying, so I had to swap out to get another camera. So now, taking up where we left off, the lovely Dawn is going to pour the peanut butter and water mixture into the pot. And we're going to get just a little bit of water. Give me the cup. There's no point of burning two of us.
No.
Screech! The hopping! Oh! There we go. I'm doing the swirling of the cup because the lovely Dawn doesn't swirl.
No, I don't swirl.
She doesn't swirl, she doesn't wear a bikini,
No.
never shows legs. And trust me, I've tried for years to teach the lovely Dawn how to do this.
You should smell it, this peanut butter. If you like peanut butter, boy. Oh, you know you're cooking with it.
They say that you can't teach an old dog a new trick. Well, let me tell you something. A young beauty ain't no cadeau either to learn. There you go.
Alright. There we go.
Okay, so to that fine mixture, remember that we have 1.5 cups of hot water, 1/3 cup, 1 cup of peanut butter. Now she's going to give that a stir, and maybe consider putting the heat on. There you go. And she's got to go get herself 3 teaspoons of soy sauce. Oh. Look, Mo, you can find the teaspoons. Oh. 1, 2, 3 little doggies. It's going well.
It's because we're hungry.
Okay, 3 teaspoons is equal to 1 tablespoon, so this will... Aha.
I know there's a teaspoon there. I know I put them there.
Yeah, you put a 1/2 teaspoon and another 1/2 teaspoon. Oh, look, another 1/2 teaspoon. And now we got, oh, there we go.
1 teaspoon.
1 tablespoon. So go with the 3 teaspoons to do it right.
You know, and you send a man to go look for it and he can't find it and it's right there.
By the time you get this poured, it's going to be boiled. Actually use a full teaspoon for a change. There you go.
1.
I don't know why we never thought of getting
2.
the squeeze bottles for this. Every
3.
time I watch you measure, I said, you know what, we need to get those squeeze bottles to put stuff in. Every time.
I'm stirring.
So what was our final decision with the apple cider vinegar maker?
I'm going to use it.
All 6?
I'm going to go with 3 and taste because this is what I'm changing around. So
okay.
We said tablespoon?
Yeah. So you said you're going to go with 3?
3 to start, yes.
All right.
Because that's a lot of apple cider vinegar. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, the original recipe calls for apple cider vinegar. For rice wine vinegar. But you can substitute apple cider vinegar for just about anything, and we don't keep rice wine vinegar in the house.
No. So we've added 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar.
And now you need 6 of this.
Teaspoons or tablespoons?
Tablespoons.
I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Again, you can add whatever oil you want. Sesame oil, sunflower oil. 6.
And to this, we also are going to add 3
garlic cloves.
3 cloves, 3 minced garlic cloves, in our case chopped, because both of us like garlic.
Yes. You can leave it out if you want. But for me, garlic, very big.
And because this is an Oriental recipe, we're going to put just maybe a teaspoon or a splash of sesame oil. That'll make up for the rice wine vinegar. Okay, now we got to bring the heat back up.
Oh, it smells good. Very good. Whoop.
The children are getting ready to warm up, Paige?
Yeah, I'm very late on feeding them. Meanwhile, they never stop eating. It's summer here in Canada, so everybody's home from school. And the fridge is constantly open.
Okay. That's well married.
Oh yeah.
Off goes the heat. We're going to do this as a team because the lovely Don's hands are occupied. So we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of this over the dumpling. There you go. That's enough.
Yeah.
Save some for the others. Okay, now the lovely Don is going to sample this. And if you don't see her running out of the screen, screaming and begging the good Lord for mercy,
Very good.
there you go. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you've learnt how to make peanut sauce or Hunan sauce, guaranteed to make you a fan of Weight Watchers.
It's very well worth trying. I had never tried it until, what was it, last year? We tried it for the first time and we very much enjoy it. No.
So we hope that you found this video to be useful. If you did, please subscribe and press the notification bell so you can be notified when the newest videos come out.
And please press the like button.
Yeah. See, now try talking with a mouthful of peanut butter sauce. That's always good.
So until next time.
I'm Morris.
I'm Dawn.
Enjoy yourselves, folks.
Bye.